Sometimes the market surprises us in ways we don't expect. A few days ago, I highlighted HWL when it was trading at $152, and within minutes of that video going public, the stock surged to $210. That kind of move doesn't happen every day, and it shows how quickly sentiment can shift. Now, I'm still bullish on HWL, but in today's discussion, I want to step away from the past and focus on what's ahead. I'll walk you through two stocks I believe have meaningful catalysts on the horizon, one tied to a vote happening on October 7th, and the other a digital infrastructure play that I expect to push past $5 before year-end. 1. The value of patience and dollar cost averaging. Before diving into those two names, let's talk about a lesson every investor needs to internalize: patience. The truth is, no matter how good your research is, not every stock you buy will move in your favor right away. That's where dollar cost averaging comes in. Take my example with CLCO. I bought shares at $11.07, sold a small portion at $11.69, then watched as the price drifted lower. Instead of panicking, I added more at $9.73, again at $7.67, and even lower at $5.84. In time, I built a position of 1,600 shares. And on September 24th, buyout news sent the stock higher, instantly putting me up by $3,000 pre-market. The lesson is simple: if you've done your research and you know the company you own, patience combined with disciplined averaging can turn temporary losses into long-term wins. 2. Using multiple lenses in stock analysis. Now, research isn't only about fundamentals. Sometimes it pays to cross-check with technical or sentiment tools. For example, in early September, technical signals showed bullish momentum in CIFR at $9.22. A few weeks later, the stock traded near $15.92. We saw the same with Hertz, which moved from $5.65 to $7.80, and with LAC, which doubled from $2.80 to over $5.30 in a short span. These moves weren't about guessing, they came from combining conviction with confirmation. That's how you strengthen your decision-making. 3. Stock number 1, Terra Innovatum, GSRT SPAC. Let's move on to the first stock, Terra Innovatum, trading under the SPAC ticker GSRT. This company is working on micro-modular nuclear reactors, small, scalable energy solutions that could change how power is deployed in remote and industrial settings. Right now, shares are around $10.82 in pre-market. The first major catalyst is the shareholder vote scheduled for October 7th, which should finalize the SPAC merger. A second catalyst comes later, as the U.S. Nuclear Regulatory Commission is expected to complete its review by the end of 2025. Analysts at Roth Capital have already set a $20 target. Personally, I think a short-term move into the $14-15 range by the vote is realistic. If momentum takes it higher, that's a bonus, but I would also expect some pullback afterward. The bigger picture? If regulatory approval progresses smoothly, this company could become a serious player in the clean energy space. 4. Stock number 2, Hive Digital Technologies, HIVE. The second stock is Hive Digital Technologies, trading around $3.87 pre-market. This company sits at the crossroads of Bitcoin mining and high-performance computing. The catalysts here are strong. Hive has boosted its global Bitcoin mining capacity by 233%, grown revenue by 41.5% year-over-year, and expanded its high-performance computing revenue by an impressive 85%. That kind of operational growth doesn't go unnoticed. I believe Hive is positioned to cross the $5 mark before this year is out. With digital infrastructure demand growing and crypto markets showing renewed strength, Hive has both the momentum and the fundamentals to support higher prices. So here's where we stand. Terra Innovatum has a clear near-term catalyst on October 7th, with longer-term potential tied to nuclear licensing progress. Hive Digital is expanding aggressively and has realistic upside toward $5 this year. But beyond the tickers, the broader lesson is this: success in the markets isn't about chasing quick gains. It's about identifying real catalysts, understanding the businesses you own, and having the discipline to hold through the noise. Momentum may bring traders in and out, but long-term conviction comes from knowledge. Stay curious, stay disciplined, and remember, patience and preparation are the most valuable assets any investor can have.